Morning, family. Assalamu alaikum. Ham's Loft. I'm at 49.3. It's really about 50 miles. It's 10:55, kind of late in the day. However, there is cloudy, light, maybe a 10% chance of rain. I didn't run into any on the way up here. It is a cool day. It's about 64 degrees. So, got a nice little cool little breeze. I've been here before at the truck stop. I got 50 birds still in there. Two of the birds have no bands, so I've still been flying them. So that makes really 48 to race with. I got one got hit by the hawk right there. I put him in the crate by accident. I had to find him, pull him out. And so these are a total of actually 50 birds in the box. I would have been here earlier. Ran over something on the interstate. Donut. Time to go to Sam's. Get money a new tire. All right, got these guys. And these guys, one of these got 21, one got 20, and he's got 9. So that's 50. And the handicap bird, it makes 51. But they've been waiting, because on the interstate I had to fix the tire, so it was only 6 miles away. So I think they doing good. I hear the crows up there. Or blue jays one, but I don't see no hawks or nothing around. So I'm gonna put it in the back window so we can get it. Well, I'll put it right here. So I'm gonna get ready to let them loose. Maybe it won't fall. It just should circle a few times. I know home ain't that way, so there we go. Oh, this is dove season, so I'm at the very first county outside of Davidson County, which is Nashville. You can't hunt in Nashville like that, but this county you can. They look like they're gone. I'm gonna put you on pause because I know for a fact that's not the way home. It'll be that way. But I'm gonna put you on pause while I box this stuff up. Oh, there they go. I knew they ain't going well. I wanted to correct that. It looks like a vulture on top of them. Something flew in on another vulture. It's not a hawk. See it flying over top. If there's a hawk, they would have flew higher. I see him out there. I'm gonna put you on pause while they get everything ready to move out. All right, here they go. Still flying. It's a 20-mile jump from where I took them before, so even though it's only 50 miles, they were 30 miles a few days ago, so they should be all right. All right, it is hunting season, dove season, and birds already been 30 miles, all 50 of them. you know, so we're just gonna see what happens. All right, 50 out. We'll count and see how many in tonight. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace.